Kaya,
Ganon.
kaya pala sinabi mo kanina is part of the conservative basket. In other
Correct.
words, low risk siya for those who are risk averse, and yet it will perform much better than a bank account, no?
Yes,
Mm,
oo.
mm.
So,
As,
ganon yan.
mm,
And ang minimum investment lang yan, you can start investing with a minimum amount of 500 pesos lang.
not bad. Yeah, that's
Yes.
affordable
Ang
by
mutual funds
anybody.
is,
Mm-mm.
yeah, ang mutual funds is 1,000.
Okay. Mm,
So, it's nice to start, especially for the children, yung
mm-mm.
mga anak natin na nakaka-receive ng mga Christmas gift pag
Oh,
Christmas.
yes.
Yeah, you start them with mutual funds.